Hi, this is Helen, and I am going to do a quick tutorial on how to add sound to Google Sites. The first thing you have to do is to actually record the audio that you tend to have on the site. And you have to use some kind of software to do that. On a Mac, GarageBand is always available, and on a PC, Audacity is free. So you could use either of those. You may also have some software that you've purchased that can record sound. So we're going to open up GarageBand. And we're going to do a new project. And since I'm just going to be speaking, I'm going to choose voice. I'm going to title this audio file. Just to keep it simple, and it's automatically saving to my desktop, and I'm going to leave it there. There are some settings here that you can see, I'm just giving you a quick overview on how to do this. We're not going to get into any of those details. Okay, so I'm a female, so I'm going to choose female basic, and then there is a lot of things that could be done over here, but we're just concerned with making a simple voice recording. So this is the record button, and I'm going to record my audio now. This is Helen, and I am just doing this as an example for a tutorial. Okay, so now I have my audio file, and I'm going to save this just to be on the safe side. But then I'm also going to share it, and I'm going to choose export song to disk. I have a choice here, but I'm going to go with the MP3 encoder, and I'm going to hit export. And I'm just going to leave it as audio file. Okay, so that's really all I need to do with GarageBand, so I'm going to close that out. And yes, I'll save. Alright, now what I need to do is get my MP3 player on the web. So I'm going to go to a site called Podomatic. And I'm already logged in here. You will have to create an account to do this, but it's pretty straightforward, simple to do. And I'm going to choose to publish a podcast, and I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to go ahead and call this one audio file again, just to keep things simple. And I could put a description, but I'm not going to. And hit save and continue. Then I get the opportunity to upload a file. And there's my, oh, that's one from previous. So I'm going to choose my audio file MP3 and hit open. So it's uploading it now. And then I'm finished uploading. And now I don't want a photo, so I'm just going to skip that part. And I'm not going to bother with tags right now. So I've got some other options here. Not going to add chapters. I do want to just have it stream. I'm going to check that so people cannot download it. Alright, let's hit save. It's being published, and that takes a minute or two, but we can click here and see if it's already been published. And it has. And right here it says I can embed a player in my web page. So I'm going to click on Embed, and I'm going to copy that code. And I'm pretty much done with Podomatic for now. So I'm going to go back to Google Resources, and this is where I want to put my player. So I'm going to hit Edit Page, and then I'm going to click on HTML. I'm going to add my player. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and hit Update. Hit Save. And there it is. This is Helen, and I am just doing this as an example for a tutorial. Alright, so now we have sound in our Google site.